Let me teach you how to solve this radical equation right here on the board. We have this into 2 to the power of 27 multiplied by 8 to the power of square root of 75 divided by 4 to the power of square root of 48 all raised to the power of root x divided by 5 equals 64. Here, the first thing to apply here is for you to express each term to a common base of 2. Now, and also simplify the radicals at the same time. Then here, you're going to have here 2 to the power of square root of 27 can also be expressed as 3 root 3, then multiply by 8 to base 2 to give us 2 to the power of 3. Then square root of 75 can also be expressed as 5 root 3, then divided by 4 to base 2 give us 2 to the power of 2, then multiply by square root of 48 to give us 4 root 3, then all raised to the power of square root of x divided by 5 equals 2 to the power of 6. That will give us 64. Now, we are going to simplify the powers here, and we have it 2 to the power of 3 root 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 times 5 will give us 15 root 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2 times 4 that will give us 8 root 3 all raised to the power of square root of x divided by 5 equals 2 to the power of 6. When here, we are going to apply laws of indices. We have here in multiplication and we have the same base, we add up the powers. Then here, in the numerator, we're going to pick one of the bases, then we add up the power of 3 root x plus 15 root 3 root 3 plus 15 root 3, that to give us 18 root 3 divided by 2 to the power of 8 root 3 equals all raised to the power of root x divided by 5 equals 2 root 2 to the power of 6. Then here we have division here, and the same base we are going to subtract the powers. Then here we pick one of the bases, we have here 18 root 3 root 3 minus 8 root 3, that will give us 10 root 3 all raised to the power of root x divided by 5 equals 2 to the power of 6. Then right here, 5 will divide in 7, 5 to 10 is 2, and we have here 2 to the power of 2 root 3 multiply 2 root 3 multiplied by root x equals 2 to the power of 6. And we multiply this out, we have here 2 to the power of 2 root 3 x equals 2 to the power of 6. Now they have the same base. We are going to pick up the powers, and we have here 2 root 3x equals 6. When here 2 divided by 1 and 2 into 6 is 3, and we have here root 3x equals 3. But now to get x, we are going to square both sides of this equation. We square this and we square this as well. Then here square root will cancel with square, and we have a 3x equals 3 square, that gives us 9. Then to get x, we are going to divide both sides by 3. Therefore, x equals 9 divided by 3, and x equals 3. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this equation here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.